Experiencing your car pulling to one side or another when you apply the brakes can be a concerning issue. Several potential reasons could be causing this problem, and it's essential to address it promptly to ensure both your safety and the health of your vehicle's braking system. Possible causes: 1. Uneven brake pad wear. Uneven wear on the brake pads can result in imbalanced braking force, causing the car to pull to one side. 1. Regular brake inspections and timely replacements are crucial. 2. Brake caliper issues. A sticking or malfunctioning brake caliper can lead to uneven brake application. 2. This can cause the car to pull to the side with the more responsive brake caliper. 3. Brake hose restriction. A clogged or restricted brake hose can impede the flow of brake fluid to one of the brake calipers, resulting in uneven braking and steering pull. 4. Uneven tire pressure. Variations in tire pressure between the left and right sides of the vehicle can influence steering behavior, especially under braking conditions. 5. Wheel alignment problems. Improper wheel alignment can cause the car to drift to one side when braking. 5. Regular alignment checks can help prevent this issue. 6. Suspension issues. Worn or damaged suspension components can affect the balance of the vehicle, causing it to pull to one side during braking. 7. Tire issues. Uneven tire wear or a damaged tire on one side can lead to steering pull when braking. 7. Regular tire maintenance is essential for optimal performance. 8. Brake rotor irregularities. Warped or unevenly worn brake rotors can cause the brake pads to make uneven contact, resulting in steering pull. What to do? Brake inspection. Schedule a brake inspection with your local RiceTire to check for worn brake pads, malfunctioning calipers, and any brake fluid issue. Tire check. Ensure tire pressures are within the recommended range and that there is no significant uneven wear. Wheel alignment. Have the wheel alignment checked and adjusted if necessary. Suspension inspection. A thorough inspection of the suspension components can identify any issues contributing to the steering pull. Ignoring the issue can lead to further damage and compromise your safety on the road. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs. Addressing steering pull during braking promptly will contribute to a smoother and safer driving experience. RiceTire is the one place to go for your tire or wheel needs, automobile maintenance, and repairs in the Mid-Atlantic region. With over a dozen locations throughout Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, and now Pennsylvania. We are in or near your neighborhood, making us your best local tire shop. Give us a call. We are happy to schedule an appointment to check your vehicle and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible.